this festive season, we must remember that Christmas is not about us, but about Jesus, who was given to us and then gave his life in order for us to obtain eternal life with him forever. So let's celebrate life this Christmas.
Keep smiling, because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. And always remember, if you don't have a smile, you can borrow one of mine.
If you have a dream or a goal engraved in your heart, remember that no matter how long it takes or how many times you want to quit, the most beautiful things are worth waiting for and require patience.
Family. Family is not just about blood relatives. Family is about people that you got in your life that want you to be in theirs. People that accept you for who you are and will support you no matter what. They respect you, and no matter what happens, they will always be there for you.
Trust is the glue that holds life together. Trust is also the foundation of every relationship that you start. Trust is also knowing that God will provide, even though if you don't know if he will.
We live in a time where we lose faith in society. We lose faith in others, but we also live in a time where we lose faith in ourselves. Albert Einstein used to say that only those who can see the invisible will achieve the impossible. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. Faith is not always believing in something bigger than yourself, but believing in something big inside of you.
Joy is the happy feeling you get when you're surrounded by friends and family during the festive times.
Family isn't always blood. It's the people in your life who want you in theirs. The ones who accept you for who you are and will do anything to see you smile and love you no matter what.
Let your dreams be bigger than your fears, your actions louder than your words, and your faith stronger than your feelings. And remember to never stop dreaming.
Be present, be kind, believe in your dreams, and when you believe in yourself, anything is possible.
When the power of love overcomes the love of power, then the world will know peace. Let's all unite over this festive season and forgive each other, not because the other person deserves forgiveness, but because you deserve peace. Let's thank the Lord for everything that he has done over this year, and let's place our problems in his hands, because then he will fill our hearts with eternal peace.
Our Jacaranda Show family.
What an amazing group of people.
A circle of strength.
Founded on faith, always happy,
Joined in love,
Life's greatest blessing,
Kept by God.
From our family to yours, we wish you a blessed, happy and peaceful Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Ho, ho,